What up, YouTube? About to wash my dog's ass. Yeah, he's my house dog, so I clean him in here and I sterilize my bathtub really well when I'm done. Other than that, I ain't too worried because every time I take him outside, when he goes to the bathroom and everything, I wipe off his feet with sanitized wipes before he comes back in my damn house anyway, so. But yeah, not too special, just 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner made by Arm & Hammer. Smells pretty good. Nothing's fancy. I don't really spend all that money on a bunch of fancy ass dog shampoos, man. I think a lot of that shit's a gimmick. Cowboy magic that you can get at Tractor Supply works really good. Your dog be shiny, but be honestly, man, I ain't really noticed too much of a difference on any of them shampoos. Anyways, this is one thing he don't like. He'll sit still for me. He hates taking a fucking bath. I don't know why. You ready to wash your ass, boy? Come on. Make sure the water is like lukewarm. Don't be washing your dog with no cold ass water, man. It's fucked up. Your dog go in shock. It's okay, buddy. Some people, man, I see you guys got these good ass dogs, man. Nobody wash their fucking dog. Just tie them outside all the time. I mean, you keep your dog outside, I don't got nothing against it. That's cool. I had outside dogs too. But man, take the time to check your dog. Make sure your dog don't got no fleas. Wash his ass for him every now and then, man. See, this is my house dog. So he stays up to date on all his stuff. He don't got no fleas or nothing. But I still wash him like about every 2-3 weeks. He gets a bath. At least every 3 weeks, I gotta give him a bath. He'll start smelling natural, spanking a little bit. Sometimes I put some iodine inside the shampoo just to help prevent anything he might got going on, like overgrow yeast. Sometimes these dogs are prone to get that, especially the red dogs for some reason. Red dogs are known to have some skin issues. Why? I don't fucking know. I never had those problems with any of my black dogs. Him, not really neither, but he tends to get more dry skin than any of my other dogs. And a few of the people I know that had the old family red-nosed dogs said that their dogs tend to have some dry skin issues too. But ain't nothing you can't do to fix it. Little sunflower oil inside their food. Alright, dude. Gleaming like a champ. I never really had no much issues with him, man. But yeah. Wash the fucking dogs, you know what I'm saying, man. Just, like I said, this ain't nothing fancy, man. I just want to touch base on. Hold on. I want to touch base on how I do this. Just come out, boy. Just push them out there. Come on. You like that? Hold on. Hold on. Oh, you like that? I don't know. That's some dude. This dude doesn't like bath. At least he don't jump out the tub no more. I kind of broke his ass out of that bad habit. But yeah, this Arm & Hammer, man, this soap. I'm telling y'all what, this shit smell good. And it's only like $3. Only like $3, man. This shit smells good. The dog smelling good. Yeah. You like that, buddy? Here, turn this way. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, man, y'all just gotta wash your dogs every now and then, man. But like I said, I do mine about every 3 weeks, at least. I like these brushes, man. It's inside the summertime. After it's dry, you use one of these. Pull all that, and it's got a comb on the back. You pull all that damn shedding hair off of me. When I get down in there like this, I mean, everybody should know how to wash their dog. I'm just fucking around. Just fucking around, man. So yeah, I've been thinking about getting me another dog. Like I said, I used to have dogs before. I ended up just buying him just because I wanted somebody, just a companion again, man. Somebody to protect my fucking house and shit. Kind of got away from me. Now, come here. Come on, turn this way now. Come on, go back this way. Look at that, this is my house dog. All that fucking dirt coming off him. Can you imagine your dog you tie outside, you don't wash up for a fucking year? Take time, man. If you got an outside dog, at least every couple months, man. Wash your dogs, clean them up. Inspect your dog, make sure their feet are good. Everything like that. After you're drying them, check them, man. You don't want your dog getting no ringworm. You pay good money for these dogs, man. Why would you wanna not take care of your dog? That's what I don't understand. Some people got some of the best bloodline in the whole fucking world, and then they treat the dog like shit. Don't understand it. You got these good ass dogs, man. Treat these dogs good. Look at that shit. That's what I'm talking about. So after he dries off, I'll brush him down again. But you see all that? I'm telling you, man, these right here, this the truth, bro. This the truth. One of these right here, truth. These things are the truth, man. Hold on, sorry, put the phone down real quick. Take that glove off. Yeah. Come over here, boy. Come here. Turn this way. I told you he hates a bath. I don't know what it is about a bath. He want to do tug of war. Motherfucker want to hunt. Jump on a treadmill. Flirt pole. Come take a bath. He act like a little sissy every fucking time. Well, he's a good ass dog though, man. That's my motherfucking boy right here. Cracks me up. You can see two sides of these dogs. One side of them, like I said, he act like a demon. Then another side of him is a sweet baby. Funny. It's funny how these dogs, some of these dogs that have these two sides to them. People don't even realize they're good dogs, man. Nothing I like more than an American Pitbull Terrier. Ain't that right, buddy? I told you, he fucking hates a bath, man. Hey, sit down. You better not shake on me. Hey, you better not shake on me. You better not. Man, he hates a bath. I don't know why. He ain't gotta do nothing to me. He just don't. I think it's the noise, honestly, though. From the water faucet. He's been like this since he was a baby. Ain't scared of a dog. Motherfuckers don't like a water faucet. Hey, you better not shake on me. You better not shake on me.